Right now it's 6:20 a.m. on Christmas morning. Merry Christmas. This is a little look at the blizzard that northeast Nebraska is experiencing right now. The wind has actually gone down. We were having gusty winds, probably in the 40 mile per hour range. Right now it's 3 degrees and the wind chill is around 18 to 20 below zero. According to weatherbug.com, the blizzard warning that we are currently in is set to expire on Saturday, December 26th at 6 a.m. Snow is expected to increase in coverage and intensity today and continue through Saturday. It says 7 to 14 inches are expected today through Saturday. 20 to 35 mile per hour winds will continue, and some gusts as high as 50. Definitely blizzard conditions. My Christmas is most certainly on hold, and there's probably, I would presume, most Christmas gatherings planned in this area are put on hold for today. You know, you're much better safe than dead. Better late than never. I do hope everyone that can be with family today enjoys their day. There's a lot of people that aren't going to have the ability to do that. These drifts have grown so much since the last time I was out here, which was half hour ago. It's unreal. I could see my landscaping stones underneath that snow right there, and now I can't. Of course, the wind's gone down, so snow's settling a little. Where I'm supposed to be headed, which is only 80 miles west of here, this is what the weather service in North Platte says. It has replaced the winter storm warning with a blizzard warning in effect until noon on Saturday. Today's Friday at 6 a.m. Anyway, excuse me. Timing. Snow will continue spreading into north central and northeast Nebraska this morning, increasing in intensity and becoming moderate to heavy by late this morning. Snow accumulations of 10 to 14 inches can be expected by late Saturday morning, with the heaviest accumulations in Holt and Boyd counties. I'm supposed to be headed to Holt. Wow, it's cold out here. North winds will continue 30 to 35 mile per hour with gusts exceeding 45. Snowfall rates exceeding 2 inches per hour are expected this afternoon and through at least late evening. Combining that with the strong wind will reduce visibility severely and may produce drifts deeper than 4 feet. I guess my little Mustang wouldn't make it through, would it? That's enough. Merry Christmas!